the Brajaraj on the Govardhan Parikramā, what is that Brajaraj? It's Giriraj. Giriraj is Shamsundar, Sakshat Krishna. So Krishna's body is described in our Shastras. Krishna is Satchidananda Rupam, his transcendental form. It smells like, of course, it's only comparison. It's a very mundane and limited comparison. But Krishna's Sharir, his Deha, it smells like Kasturi and Kapoor. Kasturi, Kapoor, and Chandan, and Aguru. And sometimes it's described Nilotpala. Nilotpala means a blue lotus. He's also blue. So Krishna's body, Giridhari's body, smells like sandalwood, and it smells like sandalwood, and it smells like musk, and it smells like camphor, and it smells like this. So kunkam. So you can imagine that because the dust of Vrindavan the dust of Govardhan Hill is the dust of Krishna's body. It's his non-different.